millimeter hex right on the end of this sucker. So if I put it up against there, that's all I want sticking out. So right now that's a little bit tight. So I'm going to back it off a little bit. I'm going to put this up against the end of that nut, and I want it perfect, just like that. That's 2 millimeter thread sticking out. That should be set correctly. Not right now. That's your slipper clutch. Not for your motor. Okay. Your gear mesh is the mesh between this gear and this gear. This is your pinion motor gear. This is your spur gear. The mesh between them, right? Now you want to be able to rock this and not move that. But the mesh is right now is almost perfect. Because you want to be able to move this and not move that. And I mean, I like to get them as tight as possible. See, that's touching too much. Back it up a little bit. Okay, that's too much slop. In just a hair. And there we go. See, I got some rock. You can hear it. Okay, and that's what you want. That's what you want right there. Hear that? I don't know if you can see it. Just that little bit right there. Okay, now I'm going to keep that. But you tighten these down. Because if it's too tight, you wear the gears out. If it's too loose, they'll strip each other out. There you go. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go with it. So I'm going to tighten these down now. And there we go. Motor's installed. I like the gear mesh. It's good. That's what I want. Okay. So let's install the cover. This is just a plastic cover and a little screw, so I don't like to get it too tight. You know what I mean? Okay, go ahead and give me see if I can. I'll put that down there. Put a couple of little screws for that. Boom. Now, motor wires are pretty simple. They go in order. Take the 3 lines. They go in 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. back together. What do we got left? I got a clip. I got a clip, and I got the cover clips. The battery clips. So we're pretty much back together right now. I'm not worried about any of the front bearings because I got to put that front again together as soon as the parts come in anyway, so I already had these apart and I'm not too worried about them. But right now I heard a noise, I found it, I'm happy about it, but really that's how easy it is, guys, to tear your machine right down. You know, we just had the transmission apart, we had the motor out, we had the rear diff apart, did the bearings, and this sucker's ready to go out and abuse itself some more. You know, and I really do recommend the 17 mil conversion because those little bolts, I mean, shit, you strip them out. I mean, I had to take one off with a grinder. It really sucks. It really sucks. If you're wondering, stock tires on the front, RC 4-wheel drive, rock crushers on the rear. I had rock crushers for all the way around, but that's when I had 4-wheel drive. Now it's a dune buggy. So, dune buggy has bigger tires on the rear, lower in the front, so it keeps the angle down for when you're torquing, right? Doesn't want to flip over so easy. And I must say I'm impressed with just 2 tires because the amount of power the motor has. And now it's only doing 2. I mean, I've got the front drive shaft and everything out, right? So it's only working the rear. Wow, there's a lot of juice there, man. It'll still pull the front tire, no problem. Excuse my language again. I'm going to try to curb that language thing, especially when I'm not planning on being in front of you guys in the videos here. Can't be a cursing shit. But honestly, guys, when you're doing your tires up, I mean, don't mess around. I grab a hold of that sucker, I give it a torque. I mean, that's how you screw up hexes. I've never screwed one up yet, but I make sure shit's tight. It's plastic, I agree, but you gotta make sure stuff's tight. Okay, tires are back on. And here comes the body. Thor's in the house. He's a happy, happy guy. Thor's always happy. He likes to play in the mud, that little guy. Likes to play in the mud. This is just another wire clip. Hold everything in place. We're back in biz, guys. There you go. She's good. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Take care. See you on the next one.